Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring some wonderful ideas to create a cozy and inviting bedroom that you will love to recreate to. A cozy bedroom is a haven of relaxation and comfort, and we will share some tips and designs ideas to help you achieving that cozy atmosphere in your own space. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit to the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. Let's get started. Warm color palette. When it comes to creating a cozy bedroom, the color palette plays a crucial role. We will explore warm and soothing color schemes such as earth tones, soft naturals, and warm hues like shades or beige, brown, or deep blues. Discover how these colors can create a calming and inviting atmosphere in your bedroom. Soft and plush textiles. Cozy bedrooms are all about comfort, and textiles play a significant role in achieving that cozy feel. We will discuss the importance of soft and plush textiles such as fluffy rugs, cozy blankets, and cushions. Learn how to layer these textures to create a warm and inviting space that you will love to snuggle up in. Ambient lighting. Proper lighting can transform the mood of a room. We will explore different lighting options to create a cozy ambience in your bedroom. From warm toned bulbs to dimmable lights, we will discuss how to create a soft and relaxing atmosphere that promotes a sense of tranquility. Cozy bedding and pillows. Your bed is the centerpiece of your bedroom, and choosing the right bedding and pillows can make a significant difference in creating a cozy environment. We will explore different bedding materials such as soft cotton or flannel sheet and discuss how to layer pillows of various sizes and texture to create a luxurious and inviting bed. Natural elements. Bringing in natural elements can add a sense of warmth and coziness to your bedroom. We will discuss incorporating elements like potted plants, wooden furniture, or natural fiber essence to create a connection with nature and infuse your space with calming and organic feel. That's wrap up our cozy bedroom decor video. We hope these tips and ideas have inspired you to create a cozy and inviting bedroom that you will love spending time in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below, letting us know which your favorite cozy bedroom element. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor content. Until next time, happy decorating and enjoying your cozy bedroom retreat.